What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have my friend here today and I'm gonna be transforming her into a true Instagram body. As usual, I'm starting off with her eyebrows, to just, simplify things. I like to start off with the brows. It just makes life easier. And if you need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, one is definitely linked below. It's always linked below in my description box. So please go ahead, check that out, and learn my tips and tricks. Yeah. So after doing the eyebrows, I pretty much just move on to priming the face. And then I jump into foundation. And today I was using the YSL All Hours foundation, which I feel like is really nice, really good if you plan on wearing your makeup for a prolonged period. So yeah, that's definitely a product I stock in my professional kit. And then I highlight with some tan sand from Tarte, and I'm blending that out, with my damp beauty sponge. Because what this does, highlighting, as you can see, it's shades lighter than her, and that's because highlighting helps to bring those areas forward that you want to bring forward. Simply put, yeah, so that's why it's called highlighting. So I go beneath the eyes, on the nose bridge, cupid's bow, chin, and the center of the forehead, and I blend those areas out properly. I then started on contouring the nose, just giving it a slimmer effect. And I also went on to the hollows of the cheekbones, just to snatch the face and make it look more, yeah. I really enjoy doing this part, especially on her face, because her bone structure is so, it's really nice. So I really like doing it. And then I pretty much move on to just setting all the areas I highlighted earlier on with some I believe this was Sacha Buttercup powder. Yes, and I also set the eyelids. You always need to ensure that you set your makeup, because it ensures longevity, flawlessness, and I mean, Instagram body, think about it, flawless, popping, like, yes. And I also moved on to doing some baking today, and I took a bit of the Laura Mercier, the dark one, for the reverse contour area. That's the part beneath the contour I did earlier. I then moved on to the eyes. Today I decided to go in with the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette for the eyes, and the first shade I took was Tropico. Okay, and this is just a beautiful, like, warm shade, like a mixture of red and orange. And then I kind of went on the outer portion of the eyes to deepen that with some of Cafecito. And then I moved on to cutting the crease, because I definitely wanted to do a cut crease today. I don't know, it's just the vibe I felt. I love when I create looks. I just feel like when you want to create a more bold look, like, I don't know, it comes to mind first, yeah. After I cut the crease, the shadow I moved on to patting on top of that was La Costa. And yeah, I just pretty much pat that on and kind of swiped it after patting it, because it does have shimmers in there. And then I went over top of that a bit with El Malecon. All right, after doing this, I pretty much just moved on to liner, and I both lined the upper portion of the lash line and the lower waterline, just to intensify things. I then went on the lower lash line with some more Tropico to smoke that out, give it that smoke vibes. Then I removed all the powder I used to bake. Then I just proceeded to dusting away all the powder I used to bake earlier on, and then I sprayed some Mario Badescu water to further set everything, make it melt down like skin, and tap that in with the damp beauty sponge to highlight today and just illuminate the skin. I use Gold Deposit Max Gold Deposit. This is a mineralized skin finish. And then I just added some mascara to the lashes, because she had fusion lashes, so, and they were pretty voluminous, so I didn't want to add anything to that. For the lips, I feel like Instagram bodies usually go for like nude lippy combinations, so I went for a nude lippy combination, and I love nude lippy combinations, so that's pretty much what I did here. And then I topped it off with some gloss, and that was pretty much it for this Instagram body transformation, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it didn't bore you. I tried to make it not too drawn out. You know, let me know your thoughts. Give it a thumb up. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So guys, go ahead and enjoy all the slow-mos right now.
I took on a cup of coffee, squeeze up your breast, suck up your body. My girl got the shape, yeah, she got the body. Most wanted, love me so right there. The 6 them days, so I try to Larry. Knock it in the face, man, tell her sorry. House party, invite everybody.
Girl, you a queen, Fendi for your body. Queen Louis V for your body. Gucci for your body. Baby girl, make me show you the high life. Introduce you to star life.